I'm like 90% sure it's the same here. Not on the other end, went that way. Which way? Yeah, I saw her walk off. I wish that was the time right now. Boom. Day 32 of sitting in this blind from daylight to dark. Seriously, I've been here since daylight. It's 5:13 now. At 3 o'clock, it took 4 days to get through 60 minutes to 4 o'clock. And I just looked at my watch and it said 5:07. And I sat here for what seemed like an hour and a half and I looked at it and it was 5:10. There's gonna be a turkey come through here at 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna shoot it in the face. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna be really mad at it. All right, guys, so it's Clifton with On Your Own Outdoors, and you got Mr. Camo Dust over here, and we're out here doing some killing again. So, yeah, Mr. Scott's running the camera. I'm sorry he can't get in here with us, but we're out here in Indiana, and we can't thank Scott enough for letting us come out. Yep. This is going to wrap up the series, guys. This is the series that's coming out, and, you know, doing the hunts with the visually impaired guys. And, man, we've had a blast. And, yeah, man, it's been fun. Chris, what do you think?
Took all day, man. Took all day.
Chris has been here since 5 o'clock this morning, 5:30 this morning.
Birds, it's rainy day today. Birds didn't really work, so you just get in the spot where they're going to be. Pay attention to those topo maps and get on a fat line where birds work. And he come through, and I was able to, I think I got him on film, so we're good.
That's
I
awesome.
hope. We hadn't looked at it yet, but
he'll be on there. Yeah. But, hey, guys, that's all we got for y'all this week. And until next time, good hunting.